Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the burner grate rubber foot in a GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a putty knife and some high temperature adhesive. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new burner grate rubber feet and the instructions. The burner grate rubber foot protects the cooktop surface from being scratched. If one or more burner grate rubber feet are missing, they should be replaced. Let's lift over the burner grate and take it to the workable place. All right, let's turn it over, and we're gonna, using the putty knife, I'm gonna pull the old one out. This is the old burner grate rubber foot next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm gonna use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm gonna clean as much as possible. That's it here. This is a new rubber foot, and this is the adhesive I'm going to use. You can use technically any high temperature adhesive. I'm using this one just because I have it. All right, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. Place it in. Push it in. And allow maybe 15-20 minutes to harden. And then you can repeat the procedure on the rest of the rubber feet. There are 4 rubber feet in the kit, so I suggest you to use all 4 of them. And now we can put the grate back on. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.